Hello viewer, A15 4-axis drone. Wow, look at the box. The Snaptain Vision Beyond Imagination A15 4-axis foldable drone. This is 14 plus and above people can use it. It's foldable and we can control using a voice. We can use a photo and video modes, altitude hold, one key return, one key takeoff and landing. We can have a headless mode, 350-degree flip, emergency stop, and trajectory flight. So this one is it's made of recyclable plastic, and they're not for suitable for kids under 3 years. This is not a waterproof drone. Cannot fly this during rain. You cannot fly this near the electrical wires and not near the airport. So otherwise this must be pretty regular one. Let's see how this works. So there is a nice handle here, so you can carry like this, and opening is simple. So we have a nicely packed drone. I'm gonna open this. Wow, look at the packaging. Activate your 12-month free warranty now. Nice. Activate your warranty now to ensure the purchase is 100% covered. It literally takes only 2 minutes. Register online now. Search and visit Snaptain on Facebook. Follow the guide to activate your warranty and more. You can also scan this QR code and then activate your product. So they also want to hear from us. You have won a free gift. Wow. So here are some legs for the drone. They have 4 legs. Just opening the top panel. Wow, look at the remote. Snaptain remote looks pretty rigid. What is this? Nice. So they have a mobile holder. Cool. So you can hold the mobile here when you are viewing. So you have a speed increase, 3D flip buttons, and then left right controllers. You have a reset button, return button, headless mode. You have an on and off buttons, tunings, take off, stop, landing and light. So here you can put the batteries inside. Here is the drone. Look at that foldable design. Setting up this is pretty easy. They have a safety for camera. So here is a battery pack. Sounds like the battery pack is kept inside a small container cartridge, and you can insert like this. See how this turns on. Wow, look at these lights. There are white lights in the front, infrared viewer, and red lights on the back. Another white light here. Looks colorful.